Good morning. Task 5. Oral presentation. English level 2. Let's start. This is me. I am Andrea Vargas Rodriguez. I am 23 years old. I was born in Timana, Huila. I am living in Naranjal. I study environmental engineer. I am single. I am responsible, honest, and I like to work in group. I live with my mother and my brother. I like to spend time with my niece, going to the movies, and finally, and listen to music. My street experience in Cali. My last vacation. Stay 1. My vacation. I went to Cali. I stayed there 4 weeks. I went with my sister, my nephew. I like it because it was cheap. I just spent 150,000 pesos. I like it because there are a lot of places to visit. I went to the Cali Zoo. I visited the Cali Tower and I enjoyed a lot my last vacation. I came back on Friday night because I started to study on Monday. Step 2. The weather in Cali. During my vacation, the weather in Cali was sunny. The weather is warm. It has a very high temperature, which is very boring to go for a walk and enjoy the touristy places. This warm climate allows people to go to the pool. Recommendation in Cali. It is necessary that children and people don't forget to eat the typical marranitas of Cali. It is recommended that people bring umbrella because of the hot weather. It is necessary that children and the people always use sunscreen because it is very sunny. It is important to visit the Cali touristy places. It is important that you don't forget your identification documents. It is important that people don't forget to eat typical food from this region like cholado. When you are traveling, enjoy the best possible with your family. It is necessary that people don't forget to visit the churches in Cali. It is important that people and children don't forget to visit the parks and take a walk. If you have money, it's better that you visit Buenaventura, which is 3 hours from the city of Cali. Step 3. What you should do. You should always take the camera with you, so you can capture the best moment. When you visit Cali, you should visit the statues and the museum. What you shouldn't do. When you are traveling, you shouldn't let attention wander children. You should disregard your team. Thank you.